So I didn't actually do all that much drama, but I do remember maybe we were in like year 3 or 4, maybe, and this like troupe, almost seems like a circus or something. I can't remember. This troupe came in and they took certain people out of the classes, and we had a bit of acting like training for the week, and then we did like a mini sort of showcase at like this Swansea theatre, and I remember that was really good. And then there's a few like little school plays and stuff. So yeah, it was actually an option. So they made you take it for like the first 2 years, and then you choose your GCSEs, and I didn't do it then. No. Yes, yeah, it was definitely an interest. I did well in like all the sensible subjects like science and history and all that, so I just did more of those instead. Yeah. The interest was definitely there. Like sort of deep down, I thought like, oh, this is some. I'd see other people doing it, and I'd be like, I really want to do this, but like it's not really something I thought would be an option. Yeah. I ended up doing biology, chemistry, psychology, and like Welsh back. We have in Wales. Yeah, yeah. I see other people doing it, and I'd be really jealous. I'd be like, your lessons look way better than mine, but instead, I just, yeah. Not organised. I just loved films. I'd watch loads of films, and I'd sort of do it like to myself in the house, but not really in any groups or anything. No. I don't think so, to be honest. No, no. I would just like tell stories and stuff, and they'd be like, "Oh, you should," like jokingly, "you should be an actor," whatever. And then deep down, I'd be like, "Oh, that's also my wish." But like, yeah, yeah, yeah. I was just at uni, and again, I was doing more sciencey stuff. And I had a few friends that was doing acting up there as well, and I would just see what they were up to, and it was so creative and everything. I just really wanted to be part of that. So I started to study like biogenetics. I think when you get out of college and you go to uni, it's just such fast pace, and it's like you don't really have time to think about anything. So it's just bam, 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 exams after each other. Make sure you learn for those. And then suddenly I got out, and like COVID had hit and everything, and you just had loads of time to think, and you just like thought about your life and stuff, and you're like, this is not what I want to be doing. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So actually, I phoned my dad because he's usually better. He's more level. I thought my mum might freak out completely, so I phoned him and I said like I really need to talk to you. He obviously thought it was like something massive. He thought like I was gonna die or something. So anything I said after that was better, I suppose. And I just told him. Well, I mean, to to be honest, when I told him, I'd already got onto the course, so I was just like, I'm all booked up. I'm off to London next week, and I'm off to do the course. Yeah, like you said, it's 2 years, so it was quite condensed. It was intense. We'd usually do like 5 days and then Saturday as well. I just thought it was the best way to like really immerse myself in it. It's just to do it every day, just jump into it completely. No, so yeah, the first play I did was actually at theatre school. Yeah. I would say stop playing rugby and get involved with acting. Yeah, yeah, just do what you sort of know deep down you want to do.